Hello, and welcome back to my second life. Today I'm going to do a practice game in Bergson Bowling. 10 frames with various practice hooks at higher speeds and with a zoom in to get my angles as good as I can get them. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And what I do is reserve my lane, if you haven't already, and start my game. And I'm going to start from the right side of the approach lane. Go into mouse look, and I'm ready. So, let's get to it. I'm using a hook at 100% power. I started up the top of the boards, the board I wanted to begin with. Hold down my left mouse button to build up power while I move my cursor or crosshairs to the where I hope it will end up. Yeah, this is just a straight shot. And I'm holding down my right mouse button to zoom in. That's my normal view in mouse look. But I want to zoom in. And I'm going to start at this board. Hold my left mouse button down, because I want it to go generally there. Oh, so close. I wonder what kind of game I'm going to have. That's a bit different when you're playing with other people, because you get off the approach lane when it's not your turn to give them room, and so your position changes entirely. But I'm doing this practice just from the same spot. We're trying to shoot from the same spot here, right? And I want to go right about here. Curve it. Curve, baby. Ah, so close yet again. Great shot time. I'm not going to try to get fancy. I want to get as many pickups as I can to get the spares. I prefer a strike, but I'll take a spare any day of the week. I can do the shots like this too, with a roll. But for some cases, when I'm bowling, I like to zoom in to be able to attempt to pinpoint shot something and curve or hook just at the proper point. And I'm still working on that. I really like bowling in my own bowling alley. It's a Darling bowling alley in Darling Estates. And about there. Ooh. Yeah. Getting down to these stragglers. Weebles. They wobble, but they don't fall down. And you notice that sometimes a pin moved over, but it gets reset in a different location. That's very common. This time I'm going to try it from this board. Right about here. And I got the reverse of what I've been doing the whole rest of the game. Practice game. I get my best scores in practice games. And I got my best score of all time during the beta tests when they weren't recording scores. I got a 300 game. I don't have an official 300 game yet in the Bergson Bowling records. Oh, so maybe I should move over a little bit. I'm going to go to the center, or just off the center, to the right, to the left. I might do better with that. 60% power. I don't need more than that. I want to try coming from the opposite side. I still have 3 more frames to bowl. I'm going to start right about here. Oh, and I'm still getting the Weeble. Weeble is not an official bowling term. It's my pet name for annoyingly resilient pin. Now you see what that was? That pin was here, but it's actually here when it gets set. So that's something that's always annoys me, but it's just part of the system. That pin got knocked over, so when it resets, it's resetting that pin in its original location. When I hit it, it got knocked over to here. It has to be reset there. Now watch this. I don't have to be all the way down here, but I'm still getting the Weeble. So I'm going to call this my Weeble practice game. There it is again. Same position. In the next frame, the 10th frame, I'm going to come in with my hook on the left side of the lead pin, pin number 1, rather than try to come across and see how that works. Right about here. And I got a strike. It really does matter where you stand and how you aim, especially when you're using a hook. Now I think I'll get a split on this next one. That's usually my luck. No, but I got the Weeble. Let's see if it stays there or moves over here. Because this is the 10th frame, and I get 3 balls if I get a strike in the first 2. I mean, a spare in the first 2. So no, that went right back to where it was supposed to be, because that is the pin placement. And I didn't do too bad for a practice game. Wow. I would have liked to have done better than 188, but I can live with 188. Anything over 150, and I feel I haven't totally wasted my time. That was good. So, that was a practice game. And let's see how the additional ones that I do tonight work out. I think I'm going to get progressively worse because I've already bowled a few games before this and botched up about 3 different videos. See you again next time. Take care.